Gotta have it too. It ain't Christmas if you ain't got them things. The black angel, the black Santa, and the black baby Jesus. Okay?
close my eyes to you.
Maybe if that piece wasn't sticking out, maybe she wouldn't lean through.
Oh no, hold on. Just you know, just something with that. Oh.
Oh. You wanted me to get up there and do it? Oh, man, they're gonna make me fall.
Oh no, D.
You just gotta lay him down to where she can sit right on top.
I don't even think that's leaning.
No, that's good, actually.
Yeah.
Can you just set this bulb like right there? And then we're gonna place one more and then we're done. Shoot, crap. Oh, mama like them. Set this one. Okay, I lied. This one, put like over there.
Not like over there.
Up high. Yeah, because we got holes. And then, is there another hole over there?
Right here.
Yeah. No, like put it up. Yes, and then go right there. Just hook it on something there. Yes. Perfect. Yeah. Woo! High five. Burn.
Can we get this probate finished?
All done, buddy.
I can't stand you.
All done, buddy. Buddy. Hey. Hey. And, you know, we gotta have the black Santa. Okay? Got to have the black Santa. And then, gotta have it too. It ain't Christmas if you ain't got them things. The black angel, the black Santa, and the black baby Jesus. Okay? Alright, y'all, bonus clip. This is our beautiful tree. With all the stuff that I bought Black Friday. These are our Christmas gifts to ourselves that we've already opened, of course. And here's our 6-foot plant Christmas tree. This was my idea and Babe loved it. And it's cute. I like it. Alright, y'all. This is it for Vlogmas Day 14. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Babe is watching the game in the background. And we will see you guys in the next video.